Hello everyone, you are all welcome back to our channel. You are welcome. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you are watching this video from. Guys, in this channel we bring out amazing video, wonderful video, interesting videos. Please do subscribe so that you can see more videos in this channel. As you do so, God bless you. Okay guys, I'm going to leave you to watch this video. Please do comment down below according to the video. As you do so, God bless you. So guys, I leave you. Please watch this video till the ending and see you all in my next video. Bye guys, thank you all.
Of insult when you give your godfather. So when you apologize, let your wife be there with you. If you need peace, you need to first settle the pieces where you caused, the damages where you caused, before the peace go reign. Carry your wife on nobody. Now advice, and what you could make peace really rare. We go make sincere apology go come out. Not be the. It's good to come out on live video, can't apologize. But the best apologies what you go make now when you and your entire family go visit your godfather for us. And on your knees, go visit your godfather for us. I tell you these things, you know, they take my word. You go to take an saga. I say you get twins. God bless you with twins. And you beat twins. The head of twins is not good with the taper with. You dealt with twins. And you have twins. And the twins you have, you think they're happy with you. When you are dealing with twins, that is the reason why you need to go carry your children when you go bury a pa. You understand? Carry your children and your wife follow body. Gonna go apologize to a pa the Murphy. You see me, Baba, with this man. But me and you, we not play, we not be friends. I tell the truth. I don't know you for nowhere, you don't know me for nowhere, we not be friends. You fuck with me, and angry I see you, I'll fuck you up. It's just the way it is. It's just the way it is. Me and you know if you get peace, till we go die. You don't know make I tell you. Baba with this man at the talk. My way cool. I not be like you. Anything we go make who go send me and go settle with the Murphy, you go come swear put. Gospel put. I know say your swear. To say your swear the key. It will kill many people for this social media. You understand? But you coming out to apologize to the Murphy is a nice one. And I really thank you for that one. You tried. God bless you. God bless your asshole. But me and you will not be peaceful. I like my way to be cool. Or not even me out of the boo. My way to cool. Anybody will carry my name go juju. Now God will punish her. Anybody will carry my name go juju. Now in here they go take pay. You understand? Anybody carry my name go juju shirai. Now in head, in life, in family head, now you go take pay. Then they come on live video, they call the time, say you don't know what you do me, you not do me anything. You know do me anything. So you come inside, I call it Chris. Where I call it insulting for social media. I call it mad. Now this I define the saga, I define quarrel, then I call it insulting for social media. You see your life. No Nissan or Miamia, no Hoi Mamiamia. So you don't know what break quarrel between me and you for this social media. You don't know what break quarrel between me and you. The good where your good will take you, your good will kill you. When DJ Wisdom Man go report you for police station, when me, Atiti, Dada Masses sit down together for last video, they beg DJ Wisdom Man and make they go withdraw the case for police station because we will be one. When you come out, you come with a praise that Dada Masses, they insult me. You and your Nyama fans, you come out for last video, they insult me, they praise Dada Masses. You forget. No Nissan Miamia, no Hoi or Mamiamia. Then you they come and they call the talk, say, me we can't get there in peace. Me and you day in peace. When you they plank my back, may they turn me to death and down. Me and you can't day in peace. This one, that one, our next generation. They feel me. If you don't know, don't be every matter, they feel they settle. Every matter here, every matter here, we oh, already the movie is just normal. My feel settle now. You understand? Working my way. And look and get the better. I say, go on. Don't wish you know why you Either if you move go, understand on na bolo. So my people, what's your na go because that was how dinner man. If you really need to know, because me no say this your apology where you apologize so. Now because of what you defend for destiny in hand. Where go and when I go, untigo no we go along, obey destiny the backward. Let's start. Or you will apologize because of the favor where you defend for Esther hand. Now make you go to this apologies. Man, not be say I don't know. If you respond, no, no. But how would this man know? You understand? Because you know they beg for nothing. You know they do all this thing for nothing. You know one side. No, yeah, you marry a very useless woman. You marry a very naughty woman. You don't have peace in your house. You want to come on social media to come and make peace. You don't value social media more than your home. Ikata ma wewe osawu mesi o mu ohin on yin go din odin o me nwa sewe yin ohin re mu we fi ran all this nyanga nyanga no le yede na osawu mesi o si we ya osawu mesi do ha we ni o si we ya a responsible man. You know say you don't offend people and you want to apologize. First of all, the apologies need to come from your house. Your house. Or how you carry it to you talk sense into your wife's brain, or how you are the man of the house. You understand? Who seek sense into the head of your wife before you come on live video? See the way your wife they fool you for live video, you don't know. Go read comments. Go read your wife comments. If you build your relationship on social media, it ends on social media. I just they see you like small pikin. Otimeni kiri, the last born is me, or you who you want it. Anyway, a map ban when you know social media. You down one. Big my work one last born is me, or whoever one. In nonsense in way. So I say, I can manage you me. No what doing social media. Your husband they talk. Woman with the respect man. Your husband they talk. Even though your husband never even hear seek your own opinion, he's speaking on behalf of the household. He's the man of the house. You go lock up all the anger put out of mind. No wabu wedi. Ayo ayumudia. You must come house. You come face am for house. That's how to know a responsible woman. Not as if they talk, you the full of the public. See all your comment, me and the reader. Even they reply you they comment, they fool your husband. Say because you don't know what you pass through when that saga happen when you get belly. You way you know say you get belly. You they carry your husband head for saga. You don't know how many times people they call you say, tell your wife me not call you, I not call you now. Tell your wife me keep quiet. Make you not talk. If you as the man do saga, let your wife stay aside. What dance live video go flashback and watch this video. I've been a plan for you. You know nothing they had me to do. What dance and you expect people to keep you quiet then. You don't want you see they're not going to reply you. Then your husband and they try to make peace. You did against the peace where they make. On public. Responsible woman. That's when you fire. Why is it another week be a you go to it is of you I go to the every grant. Someone there has a big grant. No respect. Wọ́n pàrẹ́ ìkìnnà bí ẹ ọ̀kí sísan òde là gbọ́ wa ni wà á ìlàjà live video wà á pẹ́ẹ́tì yẹn wà á bá yẹ̀rẹ̀yẹ̀rẹ̀yẹ̀rẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ náà tọ́ ká ọ̀kíkpó bẹ́ẹ̀ náà tọ́ kíkpó wà á bá kìá wà á bùdí live video ọ̀dọ̀ àpèsè bẹ́ẹ̀ náà wà á má sẹ̀ àtẹnu wà á bẹ́ẹ̀ náà mi wà á mọ̀ ọ wà á mọ̀ àwọn akpọ̀rọ̀ gbó ló wà á mọ̀ mẹ́ ẹ̀ ká mọ̀ bí yẹlẹ̀ lè gbé yóò. Whereas of Vienna we pass through we is how enogi of Vienna we pass through obosa see of Vienna we fit be you but no man or pass through boy. I tie for Ikata muwa I mean marriage not perfect. It I don't get more go you over. Okuno ma ma church. Aproko ya move a comment we. Comment wa wa kan wa. Daga agbele ya latin. Buza ko donu wa dish. Wa we be seven inuki. Ewe or ipa ewopa or isote ipa. Who work igyo wa we or yo jane kwere o jane krekpe. Ne di mufi. Wa wo kan we pa ya yin ya. No la no mu yutoro mu zo no ya bowo. I'm not talking about me, my argument, one me, I will go with the live video. Me and you because the saga my way, my pay. I will tell when we are a split in 1 year saga. I joke. And now you come for the test, forgive. That is that name everybody that forgive for. That name for everybody. Because of that, you go do you don't need forgiveness. I want to what I'm gonna do. When I stop, then I will go. But nevertheless, me and you, we know within the soul for this your apologies. Understand? But I thank God for your boldness. We still can apologize. We and go apologize to. Not concern you. All this secret plan, we not plan. We not take care of my matter, go into dot of shrine. Now you come and tell me say, you don't know what you don't know what you do me. You dey talk that thing, that word we will just talk for math. You don't spoil everything. So I'm making 2 times we do that thing. The other day you still apologize. You say you go beg your wife, make your wife apologize to me. You do that no. Man, you are not man so why no you go value. If you are a man, as I did so, anything where I talk here, now from my household, from my wife, from my children, I talk. I stood to be the head of the house. Whatever I say is final. Now me and my wife can't get issue for his house. If I don't reach his house. Even we attack David, no man back. May you face it, you go face him for his house. If we want quarter, we quarter. Now we may even saga our for his house. If you want beg and go still beg for his house. You see, we na a toy na mu yomuri. You don't we na a toy. Osaro mi wa low na. Osaro we see or low kwere. So we say low. For you to still both come out for live video, come apologize. Apologies to your wife. Your wife you are ready with that me. The man I am go attack your wife. The man attack a bride price. Man attack a Latin. You understand? We na omomo na mu obu. No we mama obu. We hinogi. O saro mi a lo kwere. Wa mi hu ne wona. O ye problem o ye be di, o be ye be di. O saro mi a ye be mu we. When you not see it, because umay sokbia mo yo wana sagbada gbon no awe iri yo ni bio wa ga ji rio biru mana sokbia e go paro no kan ya mo ye runde bo sie uno ya ri oku no loe oku no no kbia yo inu kbia wana ga inu ene je te na mo ne je e cheme na mo ina we metu yan hu o kan gbe to moto o kan yo kbia wana ga oku ekini wa va do live video na hina ogbo ene wo wala na so le mo live video yin yewe na how wo but my yin ya wo wa than for you to come out on live video come apologize to your wife on live video mi ko no we kwe reason me so falling hard as a man wo pe at all ebi kere when you there eru gwe mi we gbe na dimofi we where me dimofi ladian all that way apologize to is okay, apologize to my wife it's okay, I mean apologize to my wife it's okay. Have you ever seen that man doing it? Who we have the is okay, who we have very home where on the home where home a live video that the movie have found on home go area you say wa go area only said mama only said where home a live video. Are you not hearing? When I walk here, they move on. We are go talk with it. You want fun, you care. That's not how to care for woman. That does not show you love your wife. It's a stupidity to the highest level. Stupidity to the highest level. It does not show you love your wife. It's not by coming out every time, any little issue, you always come, apologies to my wife. Apologies to my wife. I'm sorry, my wife. I really love you. That does not show you love your wife. My guy, they learn something from men we get sense. Maybe for the wise. Maybe they manage your home. We are manager. Be a manager of your home. Or be a conductor. Now your wife will be the manager. Now you'll be the conductor of that home. So we are not your wa. We are your control. Oh, even on the boom. Before you can control them, you must have that capacity. You understand? That big capacity. Because why? Okuri no diwa weni. Kayagi diwa ge yage benokidi. U yagi ni ya nyere benokidi. U yagi je dije o luera wa. Kate na ga modin wa big be. Dije o luera wa. U yago wa no kiri. Olokuna re palo. Bangbe ne gbogbo video. But there's never a time in here nowhere unless you are a man that is physically strong and spiritually balanced. Can you imagine? We are going to work with Ije or Ije no what Yagbo Yelana, Ije never Yelana, everything about this. However, it would carry several what it cannot have any. Ìwà yẹ gbẹ́dí àyèbọn ẹ̀kọ́ ẹ̀yẹ̀yẹ̀ náà yobi ègúsí pápá nà òye ẹ̀zíyàn. Òṣàwọ́mẹ̀sí dẹ́gẹ̀ ẹ̀rọ yà fàfi gbọ́ àì social media wo wọ́dà fún ọ̀rẹ́ mú gbòtò pẹ̀mẹ́ ẹ̀gá pa níbi rẹ̀ mú gbòtò as a woman. You don't know you disgrace yourself as a woman. Who will have me over cocoa ẹ̀wọ̀ zero. If you don't know, let me tell you. Ọmọ náà kókó wọ̀ wá wà dẹ́gọ̀dà fún gbọ̀n gbẹdọ̀. Or maybe came in to work loud one and put on your agree. Or dinner Gabaya way. My home, I do ya put away of vinegar by our way. Every way of Venua, a jack band was yes of was soon. You could know any be agree. And the way I one way war if we really start. What if we no matter what. Every time you come around, fast to hear, slow to the heart. Or I tell them not to know what like life today. The funny way you get you what. Get you what. But so me I was sagama. I was sagawa. On no one equal on no for him. Me or you get you to me like a sharpness or give me too much. Or your phone, or call you the phone, or call you where then they need to weigh me. Oh, please, little, what's happening? Are you okay? Are you okay? Take it easy, calm down. You to me, washing me again, everything. I'm going to have it. You tell me, okay, no. I have to reduce my voice. On your own, equally, or no funny. The ones one Benny, or tap is a what you say, or have Benny, or on a Facebook or the Facebook, or have Benny. Distracted that from. You are distracted that man. It doesn't show it doesn't show you that you are responsible at all. Or must show you responsible woman of you at all. What you did yesterday. The man go away now. It keep you doing moving or sound like or do apologize. Now go the live video or do apologize in the world. Now go every why you remote in what pay. Where what pay you pay the what pay them moving or pay them moving on your love or what. Why you're not there? Why they susu? Why you're not there? We are like you. Adayo. You want eternal. My power part two. Ama efi ekpa ni ari egbe iwe ni. Ama emu wo yo wo ama emu wo yo wo udoze na igbopia no bie na wa de we no see no was one at least go mother. When I have yes yeah you study attitude you study your attitude. Your attitude will ginger the man to go and move fast. Unyi all ginger piani. Kind of away on that bengona sigmo. Oh yeah, but look at the character we perform now. Every agboyage. Unyi mama, una tie of veno. Illa go do have it or ye. This is not saga. It's an advice. Yes, saga. Agboya you follow us in other for Kenity right on. Kenity, God bless you. Mommy, love and life you. You are right. Continue. That the Lord is doing bad. That the Lord is not supposed to apologize. The commenter that are commenting both the good and the bad, they know your true attitude. Agboya it is one boy. He must almost say, I don't know, even deeper. You understand? When we know I get it wrong, so I want to say, go and change your attitude. Very, very important. Go and change your character. I am in lot that for deal here, especially when you know she's a popular person on social media. You understand? We all know what wrong. No matter the offense or the way anyway, you need to control your temper. Or the voice already on the hot seat. This live video you set it down on, especially when you're watching comments, you're on a hot seat. Can confuse you if you're not stable as a man or a woman. When they priceless, they respect you with the same thing, you also confuse if you don't take time. Oko gbibiare. Oko ose na biemu ati onyime. Iziegbe wa. Aziegbe ni. No man has oko no man ziegbe ni. I said the wodo ya. Because man odo, evi buno le man. Odo, man odo. Ele ma be dozo yi. Oko no man dozo yi, eti di oko yiwa. You understand? Ose na ti man odo. Oko ni ma ya mo le no. Ozo ya, ima do e. Ose mana odo. Emi buno le man, imu zi na yakoba mo obok bi haoji. So one way or the other, we must get it wrong. Or see, that's why you are here, part of me. Don't be the man. At the moment a woman become the man of the house and the man become the woman, relationship in your hand, you understand? When we not get it wrong. You want to make an apologies, public apologies. This Betsy, you want to apologize to humiliated you, and you humiliated him too as your father. Good and fair. Wake up to your who way to order it. No matter what. Look at your want to order honey. See what now want to. You go first of all confide on your wife. Or see no ya move by yiki. No ya no ya yiki you ya by your ni day. Ya no you no set you big by yiki. Everyone na here we say a day. Ni set day. How can a woman it is when you are truthful to your wife, when you always open up to your wife, when you are sincere with your wife, or you big back because only can't take away. You understand? With all this, your apologies yesterday, how are you sincere with your wife? Or how much because if she know if it was a plan war between you and your wife could even be commenting for your favor. If you will be commenting for peace, you'll be advocating for peace. As you are on life, your wife comment will be an advocate of peace. You don't give down your man. Oh, why mama at Morugbo? Ambassador of peace when you are not in peace with your wife. You need to be in peace in your home before you come out on social media to make peace. We beg, apologize for peace, not enough. Or not fire. So you create peace on social media and you come pour your houses on fire. What kind of ambassador are you? Will you walk according to your name? You understand? When I by now, because of your favor, for your selfish interest, why apologize? Because if not, that apology is supposed to be done within you and your wife from the upsets. Then what I did, Baba Lao, forgive him, agree, Marita, or Wema Lao, forgive him, Lao. Your wife will be there because when you are insulting this man, insulting our wife, your wife was even the one engineering you. The one you could not remember, your wife will be reading it for you on social media. Your wife is supposed to come and daddy, you will not see everybody will not join her. Say, these people, they don't really sorry. You did not do that. Now, there are some people that was humiliated because of you. There are some people at the movie insulted because of you. Now you are coming to make peace. You didn't do it in a very open ballot way, in a very unique way that you are really sincerely sorry for everything. Somebody like Precious Meg. I know that time Precious Meg did the movie have this one Precious Meg. But in Matawe, you know if you come and say, my sister, Walaho, one Ezona soon not down die, who I insult, like very beginner. A bad boy, I know my gullible fans, the way they were calling. Yangati. Now you not expect me. Then when they were Timonica, GPC, I'm not a friend of GPC. When there are some people that fought for me, there are people that caught in all those native doctors those times. You think I don't have brain? You tell oh, it is war, even then I will just wake up one day where I'm sorry, Monica, I'm sorry, Inogi, I'm sorry, Yelora, I'm sorry, Ugo, I'm sorry. I want peace. Am I stupid? Am I being here? Imagine we're reasoning yes over the reason. Imagine we're going bo. Now, imagine what the area I don't understand. People that were humiliated, even both one in fake accounts that were insulted, no, you couldn't come out to address people properly. Like a learned person, like another year school. No, just come out because of your selfish interest. Even you are saying we didn't have a GPC, I am my cousin in a GPC or whatever, that's their own cup of tea. You understand? Because you have to worry. They are the one that energize you, they are the one that pump you to insult a part to that extent. That's why the table has turned around, and I'm so happy for that. You understand? But you could have turned the table around in a very good manner, that you will be respected, you will have respect as a man. Abu boy, you are not a man, father of 3 kids now. Here, Okbaro or Mene, you understand? When we rename, 3 legs, 4 legs, you don't get so. Why you be even now? That's why. So my friend toast again. You understand? I want you now that way. But now, well, I fancy men so nobody that what you know why I've been a man, why I'm during the fight, during the insult, all the humiliation, the disgrace. Walao, Wagamuzo to Wagamuzo in came in the way pie, Walao, Gumipa, what the Bame, Waimipa, Walao, who by the Bime Bukan, Walao, Kimeko, you and we are sorry. Then I have boom. What do I say, boy? I'm live with you, and I've forgiven you. I don't want you to forgive me. Go forgive her. I have forgiven you. I want you to forgive me. Nigeria was how may I apologize to Nigeria was. You see the way I apologize to Nigeria was. I did that apology sincerely from my heart. Because that is the only way. You know, yeah, I still release it. I don't have Fiame Boa YouTube channel. Since you demand for apologies, that I should come and apologize. If I do that, she will release that YouTube channel. All I need to do, I need to come and really sincerely allow what to you. And really will forgive. For him to release that guy into jail and last, if you marry Lizzie. You feel way, me and the apology to you, yeah, disgrace you, married, yeah, disgrace it. But we're no more so when no give. Una mo you know here. Who are you? I mean, arrested on the bank. Who do I apologize? You don't know what you arrested. No, do apologize. We're going to remember that when we actually one with the Balabu. Mama, yes, the Rabbi, 90 something years old, 90 something plus. Oh, you understand? With 12 children. You feel me so? We really made 60 something plus. 60 something plus. Oh, you. Now I'm 45, I'm 45 years now. What do I have? I arrested her. I arrested her. I arrested her. After all those talk, one, you know, I give it, now again. Now, the and I give it good. Tell me, I can, wow, what a border, when I double. You understand? Today now, how far GPC? But nevertheless, it no give. And anytime I will not take it, in every nonsense, there is always a sense. For you to come out and apologize, that's a nice one. You understand? It's a nice step. But to clear everything, to clear your head, because your wife is beg your wife, carry your wife, wanna go greet her for us. Very simple. And the same way they go greet her for us. Wanna kneel down, say, Papa Lao, you forgive, forget, let peace reign. You understand? Peace here. You move on with your life. Continue your level. You understand? Now, here is my judgment between you and Esther. Esther now, Esther, I don't buy you. No one or your power money, or you have money. Esther is Zenia, who we are apologizing. He paid the Murphy because of a benefit in Golobesta. You understand? And if Esther can come to Europe and make peace between you and Esther, bravo. Between you and the path, I clap for Esther, bravo. And I also want Esther, Doctor, you listen and listen very cool. You have made peace between Enogi and his godfather. You also go home, Nigeria, after your Europe tour. Go Nigeria, go and make peace with Akoberian and you and Destiny. Ifat and the full Ehan. You understand? You make peace now with Enogi. God use you now. God use you. God use you make peace. Settle Enogi with the pie. Enogi is the godfather, is the godson of Epai the Murphy. And I'm so happy that you as Esther, the ladies of song, now you can settle there now. You understand? That is a very nice one. Monica will cry this one. Monica is a vie. We are seeing Monica do. A piece will make them we don't want to do with Monica. Okay, no problem. And I'm happy about that. When Esther, when you make peace with Akoberian, your own godfather too. Now, peace we say we need for Edo. You go and do that. Where you make a peace with Akoberian, who make a peace with Ehan members. Let us see the peace that reigns in all of you. Then we'll be rejoicing and be happy. That's what we are all preaching about. We need peace. We go back home, make peace with Akoberian. Let me see that peace. Well, what Akoberian, what they talk about, what getting away, but maybe why we how we if you go to women, you're not. You understand? Mighty Dwaikebe, they are out there. You understand? Make we see Akobe the respect. Go meet them. Carry them. Go meet Akobe for us. La baba da fun ya no go baba gon. No go Akobe kon la o baba. No make na emi no ri u no ya bo mi. That is the kind of peace we need. Was one wa. Was one wa. You understand? When we make okay we bona, I'm so happy it come from you, but what are me wa go lare. Even you were next up, we are making peace with Akobe. Because when we were we buna, we go of what like. You understand? Only few people no reside the back not happy. I'm not happy with it. So I want you to also go back home and settle the dispute. Anything on son or forgive. Make peace with all those women, both Sandra and whatever. Make peace with them. Let peace reign. Even though we're right, go and settle with them. Even though we're right, go and settle with them. When you do that, we will be happy. We will just me and celebrate the live video. Yes, you understand me? So I will be happy because the way we are seeing, oh yeah, let me what I'm squad. Guarame squad and the squad dinner, a squad na mana, a squad na side squad na are, squad na oh prese, side squad no para, side squad no para prese, or the magwalaji, a kubo eti, a kubin wow, what a wooye, bona, a kubin what a wooye, we what a peace, and you do the peace and it really work well. May God bless you, my sister. I'm so happy for that. May God bless you in thousands fold for this peace that you have made between a Nogi and a Pa. Osolobo bless you. Osolobo bless it. Where the mafia can voyo. Where the mafia kino ovon top voyo eh. You understand? Okay, have voyo. Osolobo bless you, Esther, for this peace. How we Osolobo a peace to make it. We need them. The same peace now we just need for us exactly. You understand? Now what we need? Anything we go the way you know say go the big quarter for now. Mona chill. Oba go ba there that do that. Agbage or say akwanya make you understand? Make peace. Where I could bet me and shoot the movie Western. The woman shoot. Yes, it is. You understand? Okay, now about the total feel boy pop money on the river. You understand? So while I hot, start peace. No make it now. Yeah, make it with a very very important. No matter what. That love when I get that time, that peace when I get that time, we need that. You understand? That time where I could be carried it, I go to say, Destiny, Bagua, Destiny, you go to say, well, or I billion, or I billion, I could be a singer, or I swear, I can go, Destiny got to win. A great peace in we need it. You understand? We need such peace again. So go and settle that peace. A peace in your hand, what they make. Since we already make corona, we making our way to our cobe. You understand? On we making a week bis of one over. On we don't make a peace in a yawe boye yayo. Or who work on my yawe. So why to make a peace in all one? You understand? Where I just said to my yawe bonina, well, take the bonnet, I walk in, and I will walk on, and I will walk on it. At the end, you Esther come to make peace. You go still go settle up their own for Hasabel. Who would beg you? So about the debate. A brain so bad, you have to make a peace in you. Go and make it back home. You understand? And we are so much happy. And this one will do so will make people really come out massive thumbs up for your next show. You understand? Italy, Spain, one thumbs up for Esther. You understand? Okay, we are really see that peace really deep. You understand? So now what we need be that one. So and I'm so much happy. GPC Ikiamagwalo. GPC Ikiamagwalo. GPC Ikiamagwalo. How market today? My brother, you don't read. How market? I don't dey shout for owner. Our market don't swell. So good. You know what you want to understand? Now good things they last forever. Evil no dey pay. Evil no dey pay. If you are a fake account and you do good, God will continue to bless you. But if you are a fake account, you are always fond of doing evil. Now backyard, now that person they go. See GPC today, now see my life. Gradually, the people that people believe on, they are all leaving you gradually. Now, Enugi don't decamp now. Vera don't decamp. Vera don't they mention Mommy Monica, my mommy Monica. You know they mention it in again for life. Only know yari be cut igyomo. TV lolo. Now let alone mention. Only know yari be cut igyomo. Only know yari be cut igyomo. You see my life. No see the kind of life we want to live. A life agabagebe. A life akpobona no one live. You understand? Oh, not say one time I walk out we wa. Akpobona no one live. I got give you the a native vie mugba, a vie native, but you do. Even when I do with a native. If you man, oi wa keke, yo keke, yo keke. You married a we are. That we view it. Just imagine the kind of lifestyle you live. Hey, a big way, a backbone way. The depression you are moving out. I become meanwhile. I hear where you call it. Anytime I try live video now, I don't understand. I don't understand. Unless you know my colleague fans me the ban on my why. No. See your life. Live a free life. The reason why I'm looking good, I'm shining, I'm enjoying myself. I'm okay. I need to be I got a new life on the right. Maybe Nigeria when I'm in the book, maybe Nigeria, we're all here. But I'm cool. It's like depression. I'm free. You understand? It's one on one. Why I live a life for what Emma. Why I live a life for what Emma. Why I got be more my area. I mean, go why you why I got more my area. Yàrá mo ní kánò. Ẹdẹ gbẹdẹ bọ yẹ ladiyan. Nyẹ gi me topic ni wa ta le ta ta lo like bi. Yàrá ta lo like bi live video wẹrẹ wẹ dẹ bẹ gbẹdẹ video ta lọ ọ̀rọ̀ wẹ gẹbi wa ọ̀rọ̀ wẹ tọdún ọ sílẹ du fẹ yìí wa ta lọ wa. E ta lọ nọ ta lọ ni go make. You go make. You understand? Oh ta lọ wa.